Good morning, good morning. Mm, the last class we just tried to solve some of the mm, quadratic equations of these type, and we have done three questions in the class, and some of them are homeworks. Hope you all have completed, and as no one has asked for any doubt and all, we'll be going to the next few types of questions. Today we are going to solve these three questions. Solve the following equations. The first one is x by 7 equals 2 by 25 minus 6x. Next one, it is 3 by x minus 1 plus 2x by x plus 1 equals 23 by 5. Other one is, the last one is 1 by x plus 1 plus 2 by x plus 3 equals 7 by 4x. And the method we will be following is, you know it. You have to, in the first case, you have to cross multiply it and make a quadratic equation. Then you need to solve it. In the second case, you have to take LCM in the left side, x minus 1 and x plus 5. Then make the mixed fraction 2 and 3 by 5 to improper one. Then you will get two fractions, one in the left side and the other in the right side. Cross multiply and continue. And in the third case, same thing. Add that 1 by x plus 1 plus and 2 by x plus 3. Then we can cross multiply. So solve it and send me the answers. I'll go through it. If you have any doubts or if you are stuck in between, I'll be solving that. Okay. Okay, hope you have completed the first one. I'm just trying to solve the first one. Solve the following equation. X by 7 equals 2 by 25 minus 6x. So the question is solve x by 7 equals 2 by 25 minus 6x. On cross multiplying, you will get x times 25 minus 6x equals 2 times 7, that is 14. On expanding, you will get 25x minus 6x squared equals 14x. Take that minus 6x squared and 25x to the right side. You will get that 6x squared as positive 1. 25x minus will become minus 25x and 14 will be as it is. So I got a new quadratic equation as 6x squared minus 25x plus 14 equals 0. So here we need to find two numbers whose sum is negative 25, that is a negative term. This is a coefficient of x, and the product 6 times 14, which is positive. So if the sum is negative and the product is positive, it means both the numbers are negative. Both numbers negative. Negative numbers adds up to a negative number and their product will be positive. Now we need to find those two numbers. We will try to find it by factorizing that 16 and not 16, 6 times 14. So consider this prior itself. Since both are of same sign, you just need to check by adding 6 plus 14, that is just 20. We need 25. So we can split 6 as 2 times 3 and 14 as 2 times 7. Yeah. So now we have all the factors. Just need to check a simple combination. Yes, that is 2 times 2, 3 times 7, which is 4 times 21. You have the pair, that is negative 4 and negative 21. You need to rearrange the term with x as minus 4x minus 21x plus, now it is 14 equals 0. Taking common factors, you will get, you can take 2x as a common term. Okay, tell me, yeah, that is 3x. 2x into 3x is 6x squared. Okay. Then minus 2. Minus 2 into 2x is minus 4x. So your plan should be to get 3x minus 2 here inside the bracket. So you need to take minus 7 outside. 7 3s are 21 and that is x. Minus 7 into minus 2 is 14 and that term everything equal to 0. Now you can take that 3x minus 2 as a common term outside. You will get 2x minus 7 and you will get the solution as x equals 2 by 3 or x equals 7 by 2. Hope you have understood this thing. Okay. Now complete the remaining questions. You have two more questions. Okay, those fast pacers have mostly completed the first three questions. They can solve the next three questions that's there in the whiteboard. Also, if you get time, you can solve the remaining three questions as well. So I'm just waiting for everyone to complete. Let others complete. Those who are doing it a little bit quick, no issues, they can solve the remaining questions as fast as they can. Hope you have taken down the first three questions. Now take down the remaining six questions and try to solve it. I'll try to solve one by one after getting the answers, and if everyone is getting perfect right answers for the questions, we will skip that question and we'll go for the next question. Okay. And I have sent the PDF version to those who have doubts in this question. And here it is the clean and neat version. Solve the following equation. X by 7 equals 2 by 25 minus 6x. The cross multiplication part, the expansion part, that is x into 25 minus 6x equals 14, expanding 25x minus 6x squared equals 14. 6x squared minus 25x plus 14 equals 0. You need to find two numbers whose sum is negative 25 and product 6 times 14. Sum is negative and product positive means both negative. You can factorize this like 6 times 14, prime factorization, you get 4 times 21. So the numbers are negative 4 and negative 21, and the factorization is done like splitting the middle term or the splitting the term with x, and you will get the solution like this. If anyone need the link for this PDF, I can WhatsApp it for you. Okay. Gives divided by x minus 1 into x plus 1 gives 13 by 5. That is a improper fraction of the mixed fraction 2 and 3 by 5. And you need to cross multiply it, expand it, and simplify it. So you will get 5 times 3x plus 3, that is 3 into x plus 1 plus 2x squared minus 2x, that is 2x into x minus 1, and 13 times x minus 1 into x plus 1, x squared minus 1. You know that identity. So expanding, you will get Okay, you have the doubt of 5x. Just check the terms inside the small bracket in the previous step. You have a 3x there and a minus 2x. 3x minus 2x is x, and that x multiplied with the 5 outside will be 5x. And 2x squared multiplied by 5 gives you 10x squared, and the 3 left, 3 times 5 is 15. The right side 13x squared minus 13. We have the remaining portions neatly. Then 13x squared minus 10x squared, you'll get 3x squared. The 5x to the right side, it will make minus 5x. Minus 13 minus 15 gives you minus 28. So your quadratic equation becomes 3x squared minus 5x minus 28 equals 0. 28 times 3. Since the product is negative and the sum negative, you will have the sum as negative 5 and the product as 3 times negative 28, which is negative. So what if the sum is negative and the product is negative? Just think of that table that we have discussed. If both the numbers are positive, sum will be positive and the product will be positive. If both the numbers are negative, sum will be negative and the product positive. Yes. Now you got it. If the product is negative, the numbers should have different sign. And sign of the bigger number will be the sign of the sum. If sum is negative, bigger will be negative. Okay. Now you have it. And this is the solution. Now complete the third one. Those who have completed the third one can move on to the fourth, fifth, and so on. Okay, most of you have completed 9 questions. That's well and good. Keep it up. And some of you have doubts in that ninth, eighth questions. The remaining questions are more or less the same like the third one or the second one. And eighth and ninth, a little bit uh, care if you give, it's easy. Just read that question 2, 3 times and find some speciality of that question. Then I'll be solving the ninth one. Okay, I'll take inputs from you and write the answer. Okay, that's fine. That's well and good. Okay, you find a speciality that is root of x minus 3 and root of 3, root of x by 3 and root of 3 by x. So, how can we utilize that speciality for solving this equation? So, we will do one thing. We will substitute, say, y as let y equals root of x by 3. Then obviously 1 by y will be root of 3 by x. Reciprocals. Now this became a very simple question. This was the roadblock that you people face. So you will get y plus 6 by y equals 5. Moving ahead, y squared plus 6 equals 5y. Here what we did is taking LCM first, then cross multiply. Okay. Now rearranging to get a quadratic equation, you will get y squared minus 5y plus 6 equals 0, which gives you y minus 3 times y minus 2 equals 0, and we will have y as 2 or 3. And some of the common mistake kids used to make is they will put 2 here and 3 here. Don't do that. You have to, this is y. This is y. So, first you need to equate root of x by 3 as 2. Then you need to equate root of x by 3 as 3. It doesn't mean that one is 2 and 1 by y is 3. It's not like that. So, you need to find two values. Root of x by 3 equals 2 or root of x by 3 as 3. On squaring both sides, You can get rid of your root symbol or root. You will get x by 3 as 4 or x by 3 as 9. Now you have the solution x as 12 or 27. Hope you have understood this question. So that is what you have to take care of. Read the question, find some similarity or try to crack it with some symbol logic and all. Okay. The same thing is applicable to the eighth one as well. Now we'll solve the eighth one. Those who have made mistake and those who have doubts, check your answer scripts, check your answers with my answer. So we'll take down the eighth one, root of x by x minus 5. So the question here. Yeah, now you try to solve it together along with me. You will get an idea. That is, you need to put y as root of x by x minus 5. Obviously, 1 by y will be the reciprocal of it. It's better to actually write and verify. And 2, 1 by 6 is 2 times 6 is 12, 13 by 6. So we'll be having y plus 1 by y as 13 by 6. Cross check yourself. Now cross multiplying, rearranging. So you will be having y squared plus 1 by y. So 6 times y squared plus 1 gives 13 times y. Now you have 6y squared minus 13y, then plus 6 equals 0. Am I right? 6y squared is there, plus 6 is there. Now you need to factorize this. Sum is negative, product is positive 36, sum is negative 13, 36, 36, 1 times 36, no way, 2 times 18, no way, 3 times 12, yeah, it works. So you have the pair 6y squared minus 3y. No, we made it wrong. We should get 13. No, no, no. This won't work. Okay, you understood the mistake. Okay. 3 times 12. Now move on to the next step. Yes. 4 times 9. 4 plus 9 is 13. Yeah, good. 6y squared minus 4y minus 9y plus 6 equals 0. Try to group it and find the value of y. Take 2y outside, 3y minus 2, 6y squared minus 4y. So you should take 3 outside, you get 3y minus 2 as 0. Now you have 3y minus 2 times 2y minus 3, y as 2 by 3 or 3 by 2. Again, if you make the same mistake of putting here one value and here one value, you won't be able to find the other two values. You have to substitute it properly. That is root of x by x minus 5. Root of x by x minus 5 as 2 by 3, or the same thing. Many kids make this mistake. They will take the reciprocal as this one and you won't get the proper answer. Squaring, you will get x by x minus 5 as 4 by 9, or x by x minus 5 as 9 by 4. Rearranging, solving, 9x equals 4x minus 45, 5x 45, x as 9. And 4x here, in this case 4x equals 9x minus 45. Nine x minus 4x is 5x. 5x is 45. Do it. So here you will get 9x equals 4x minus 20, or 4x equals 9x minus 45. Five x equals negative 20, x equals negative 4, or 9x minus 4x, 5x equals 45, x equals 9. Now you have the solution as x equal to negative 4 or 9. Okay. So we will meet on next class on Monday, not mostly on Monday. Okay, bye for now.